as far as I know, they've been back probably about half hour. So I do kind of give people time to settle in. I don't just start the videos. And we're back with it. This is literally the 7th of August. So yesterday we pretty much could film from about 12:30 midday, and then all the way up until about 10 minutes past 12 midnight. So that's kind of how long and how excessive the noise can be. Close the window in here because there's some baby crows out there chirping. So we actually had music in the last video, or yesterday's video, it was like 11 o'clock at night. So this is just me putting a case together to show you. And by you I kind of mean the courts, Phoenix, legal system. That the noise is excessive because it's for many, many hours, pretty much daily. And we did start in this room. There's the door. 2, it's not shut. And then we walk all the way over to the furthest point on this side of the flat. And what we've got in here is the noise from the kids, or the TV above. Which the camera probably, it will be quite difficult on a camera to differentiate between the two. So yeah, furthest point in the flat, you can't get away from it. And this is actually the first video for today. One, probably because I got back from work about 1:30. And then the other reason is they've only really been in since about 4 o'clock. You've got that window open there. Not that that will affect the music coming through the ceiling, as you would have seen in my other videos. It makes no difference whatsoever. Yeah, some scales going on there.